Okay, so welcome to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video, I'll be unboxing a mobile internet thing. This supports 4G 2.6 GHz internet. It supports 3G 2.1 GHz internet and supports 2G 900 MHz / 1.8 GHz. It can download up to 100 megabits per second. That is extremely fast. And that is for 4G, and for 3G it can download 17 megabits, sorry. 2G and Edge is only 296 kilobytes per second. System requirements: Windows XP, Service Pack 2, Windows Vista or Windows 7, Mac OS 10.4, 10.5 or 10.6, at least 512 megs of hard drive space. It doesn't stand anything else. So let's get to the... Oh, okay, so it is like inside this paper thing. Whoa, it's a Samsung. It's a Samsung GT-B3730, and this looks quite good. Okay, so first, LTE multi-mode USB dongle. Yes, yes. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so first of all, we got the USB itself. Let's put that to the side. The accessories. Okay, so we got a USB cable. This is a normal USB 2.0 cable, because I guess this is only 2.0 dongle. We got a user manual. We got a warranty card. Nice. Now that's pretty much it. So let's take a closer look at this internet, thing. Actually, oh, this is good. Wow, take a look at that USB. Just pop it in, and there's where you can install your SIM card. Behind this cover here. Samsung, actually. And you would actually say Samsung 4G internet. Beat that. Samsung. And this should, they say that it is one of the world's fastest internets for mobile. So yeah, so that's pretty darn good. So I'm gonna take the SIM card from our old 3G modem and pop it into this, and this will be much better. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment and rate this video. Subscribe for more unboxing of computer accessories and more. And see you guys next time.